I believe there's a nest right there. And that's just a little tree there. I came out of here today because I had some old cereal I wanted to throw out for the birds. It was some cherry flavored Cheerios with oats. And I ate about half the box, and then I forgot about they were in the cupboard up there, so I spread them out on the ground over there. I'm just gonna make a short walk around, make another short video. I've been sitting out here about 20 minutes or so, and it's supposed to be like 70 today, so it's kind of warm. Doesn't help that I got a black shirt on. Then I was sitting there, and this guy come walking up out of the woods with a big old bag, and I didn't say nothing to him, but he said hi and stuff. And then he said he was, man, my mouth's been dry today. I woke up this morning with a dry mouth. Got one right now. And he found some morels, which, you know, everybody comes back here looking. He said they're not as plentiful this year, meaning they didn't do so good this year, I guess. I thought maybe it'd need some more warm weather. Our weather's been sporadic, cold and then warm and then cold and warm. Here's the cereal I put down now. Just some Cheerios. I still got some coffee left in my van. Hallelujah. Oh, there comes a car. Whenever I've seen something in one of my videos, I come out here thinking, now where's that spot at? Where was them trees at that I seen that? Never can find it. There's a water spot back in there. Right over there. Flooded rainwater. Of course, we got a pretty good chunk. We got a pretty good rain the other night, 2 nights ago. maybe I can catch a glimpse in the windows of my van again. Let's try it. Here you go. Potato, AK Go Fo Auto from the Demolition Ranch. Found that dude, Folly Beach. And then I watched this guy